Hi, my name is Mrs. Michon, and I will be your online homeroom teacher this semester. I'm looking forward to working with you. It was great to go out in the community yesterday and to meet a few of you when we went to your houses and dropped off those bright green bags with some supplies in them. If you happened to not be at home yesterday when we went and dropped off the bags, hopefully there was one waiting for you on your front porch when you got home. If there wasn't for some reason, please go ahead and email me at this email address. Hopefully we got all of them out and where they were supposed to be, but just in case, feel free to contact me. It was great to meet some of you and to meet some of your family members as well. Little about me really quickly. I did not grow up in this area. I grew up in Ohio, Northeast Ohio, and I went to Bethany College for undergrad, which is in West Virginia. I am married to a Frenchman. I'm a French teacher. His name is Romaric, and we have two daughters, Victoria and Isabel. I have spent the last 9 years teaching at Harrisonville High School. I taught French 1 through 4. And last summer in 2019, I got the opportunity to take some students to Switzerland and France, and that's what these are pictures of. For homeroom, we are going to be meeting this first week, September 8th through 11th at 7:30 each of those days, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So 7:30 a.m. After that, we will meet every Wednesday at 1 o'clock p.m., and that's going to start on the September 16th, so the second week of school. To get into our meetings, you'll just go to meet.google.com and you will enter this code. It should be pretty simple when you go there. Really, the only option is to put in a code to join a meeting, and this is the code that you'll put in. SLMS for Summit Lakes Middle School, Michon, my last name, and then HR for homeroom. It'll be that same code every time we meet. The reason that we have an online homeroom is because we want to make sure that even though you're online this semester, you still feel like you are included and a part of SLMS, and we want to make sure that we can give you the information that you need from school and that you're kept up to date on everything here in the building. And we also want to make sure that you have a connection, that you have a point person here at the school who you can go to answer questions, or you can bring any of your concerns to me. Since I'm new to the district this year, I may not be able to answer all your questions right away, but I certainly can find somebody who can answer those questions if need be. So don't hesitate. And that's about it. I look forward to getting to know you. It'll be on camera, but that is okay. I'm still looking forward to a great semester, and I will see you on Tuesday morning.